Hello everyone, this is Rich Alva Jr., celebrity host, executive producer, and director of the Rhyme Impersonator Show. And we are here at the closing ceremony of the New York Indian Film Festival, and I'm with the director, Arun. How are you, Arun?
Good, good.
Thank you again for inviting us back. This has been, I have no words for this festival. I am in awe of these amazing films that I saw, these amazing directors, producers that are coming together to really make this happen.
Yes, they do.
I appreciate the platform.
These are the people who make these festivals exciting because they do such good work and people are so excited by seeing their films.
It's amazing. I mean, I'm finding I've asked them so many different questions, and just the passion to follow through with this platform and really bring people and getting people to the theater to see it. What has been the most challenging part of this, being a director of this festival?
I think the lack of funds, because we don't lack passion, we don't lack manpower, we don't lack fabulous films. What we lack is the financial resources to bring in more directors, to bring in more actors, to give them more.
More star power.
Yeah.
Star power helps as well in attracting
really
people.
Helps, and we could bring in those lead actors who are star power if we had the finances.
If you had the finance. So it is about finance. So how can people donate, and what do you want to tell people to really keep this going? Finances are needed, people. So how can they donate to IAC?
Can, and everything they donate is tax deductible, and they're giving to the arts, and they
tax deductible,
and they can come and watch every event. I mean, when you donate something to the IAC, you become part of our family, so you come to all the events.
And it is truly a family, people. I mean, I feel like I know everyone. Someone shared a samosa with me, right from his plate. America, get ready to laugh, because here comes
the Rhyme Impersonator Show.
Woo! Indian Film Festival is the best.
Bring that comedy, originality, and now the whole world will see. The whole world will see. It's the Rhyme Impersonator Show.
BK, Uptown, can you feel this?
The Rhyme Impersonator Show.
Queensbridge, Boogie Down, can you feel this?
The Rhyme Impersonator Show.
Harlem World, Staten now, can you feel this?
The Rhyme Impersonator Show.
America, get ready to laugh. Oh, yo, scoy wobbin'.